Welcome to this Q&A with the ECA. Today's question is, do outside sockets need to comply with access requirements regarding mounting heights? To answer this for us, we're going to head over to Shaid Khan, Technical Manager from the ECA. Over to you, Shaid.
Thank you for the question about outside sockets and whether there is any information regarding mounting heights. We usually refer to approved document M for such information, but unfortunately the mounting heights that are stated in there are only applicable to habitable rooms within buildings. However, it may be worth looking at BS 8300, which does have recommendations on designing an accessible and inclusive built environment.
Really interesting stuff, that, Shaid. Thanks for covering that for us. It's important that we're aware of other British standards, as we know. If you've got any pressing technical questions, then please comment below or get in touch through our usual social media platforms. Thank you very much for watching.